Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Earth Science. Now we have wrapped up all of identifying minerals and how to identify them, how to use dichotomous keys. Let's talk about a little more fun subject, at least can be fun, especially to the ladies who love the little gemstones on their fingers. Let's talk about mineral ores. This is chapter 2.5. Mineral ores. You know, it's really amazing to have ores like gems, right? It's beautiful, but there needs to be a reason why we really address it in earth science classes. One of the main reasons, and probably the more important reason, why we search for these type of minerals is that they have some important uses and or industrial uses to run society. If you really think about it, society is ran by these types of ores we mine. Imagine a world without copper, without iron, without aluminum, without steel. What would we do? Those are industrial purposeful, valuable ores. And without those, we would not have the infrastructure and society that we do now. So it's extremely important. That's why we spend so many billions of dollars to mine these certain types of ores. And then I would say on a lesser valuable, even though we think they are, we love the rare and beautiful gemstones. The ladies love to wear them, all right? And some men too. So let me give you a couple examples of some quartz here. Some amethyst. Pretty, beautiful, not super expensive. Citrine, fairly expensive. Rose quartz, no. Smoke quartz, no. This ametrine is extremely expensive. It's a combination of these two. It can get more expensive than diamond. Related quartz, these are rutile inside of quartz. These are some really pretty gemstones. And then others that we've addressed in previous hours. Sapphire, which is corundum in a blue color. Ruby is a red in corundum. A green from a naturally aqua blue beryl would be emerald. And so forth. Diamonds and rutilite. Opals, most beautiful rock I think there exists. It's so unique. Every rock is unique. You can't have the same thing. Really love that rock. And it also can be more expensive than diamond as well. So those are the gemstones. Now back to, I would say, the more important things is we look for these these industrial uses and purposeful ores that we mine for to be able to give us back what's necessary to run our society. For example, if you look at this is bauxite. This is a bauxite mine. There's nothing attractable about that. However, this is a main culprit of mining aluminum. You'd never think that. That looks ugly. But yet, guess what? It provides a high amount of aluminum in this world. Arizona, what is it known for in terms of ores? Silver and copper. Can be gold. Silver and copper. The value of ores change due to supply and demand. This is important. This is probably the most important piece you can learn from this. Although we need aluminum, if the value of aluminum goes way down, the miners mining it stop. Why do they need to lose money on something? They'll wait until the demand goes back up. So when demand is high, supply is it can go short, but it's when things are running. It's running smoothly, it's ramping up. But if you have too high of a demand, the supply might not be there, and so therefore the price goes up. So the higher the demand, the more value for that ore. The lower the demand, the lower value of that ore. Make sense? So this is really important here. Do not forget this. This drives our economy. And another example would be titanium. Titanium is extremely valuable ore. Why? Because it's resistant to water, it's durable, it's rare, very useful, extremely useful. So it's what makes stainless steel, or steel, stainless steel, because it doesn't rust, hence resistant to water erosion. We use these in surgeries because you wouldn't want to put a metal in your body if it was going to rust. So you put these staples and pins and screws and etc., or even artificial joints in titanium, therefore it will not go bad. That's why. A really, really valuable piece there. And it is used in such a way because the body doesn't break it down, or reject it, which is really good. But because of that, it becomes really pricey. Okay, that's it on this lecture. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Thanks.